I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making Lens ready. Open the Google Lens app or access Lens through the Google app or Photos. You must allow camera and storage access so it can analyze images. Once done, frame the object clearly with steady hands. Tap the shutter for a single capture or press and hold to scan live. This starts recognition immediately. You'll see detected highlights and action chips. Use those to choose search, translate, copy text, or shop. Start scanning now to get instant results. Once Lens shows highlights, tap the area you want. You control which element Lens analyzes. You can switch actions, translate foreign text, copy printed text, search visually similar items, or get product details, so choose based on your goal. Make sure to crop tightly, zoom in for small text, and improve lighting when needed because clearer input yields better matches. If you need sources or steps, scroll action chips. If shopping, compare prices and images directly within results to make quick decisions. To finish, tap the result card to open details, then save, share, or perform the suggested action like calling a number or visiting a product page. If Lens misreads text or items, retake with better focus, import a higher resolution photo from your gallery, or change angle for more context. If problems persist, make sure camera permissions are enabled and update the app. Reinstall only if necessary. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache, then retry. This often fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.